Hello guys, welcome to Gadget Bars, and today in this video I will be reviewing the Fusion ROM for our Poco F1. So let me just quickly go into the setting and show you what this ROM has to offer us. If I go to the about phone and the Android version, you can see here it's running on the latest security patch, that is 5th of May, and the kernel we are getting is the Silver Core kernel, and the SLinux status is also in enforcing mode. So talking about the ROM is pretty similar to Pixel Experience, I would say. Like, some of the features are from Pixel Experience. And if I go to the home settings, you can see here it's using the default Pixel launcher. Now if I go to the wallpaper and style, everything remains same as of Android 12. If I change the wallpaper, you can see here these things are already present in the Pixel Experience ROM also. So yeah, also you get the theme icon support, we get the app grid by default. So let me just quickly go into the setting and show you. If I go to the connected devices, you can see here uh, connection preferences, we still get the screencast issue. So yeah, it's still not working fine. And if I go to the app setting, here we don't get any game bar. If we remember, like in Duffest ROM we get the game bar, in the Pixel Experience ROM we get the game bar, and here we have the assistant by default. So yeah, these are our settings present. Now if I go to notification, so these all are the standard Android 12 function which are available. We get the bubbles and all those things. We get the face unlock. Also face unlock is also working, guys, so yeah, no issues regarding that. It's fast. And yeah, and if I go to battery, the thermal profile, yeah, we can set the thermal profile, so it is really good according to your needs. And let me just show you the battery usage. So yeah, this is the battery usage as you can see here. So I'm getting around 1 hour 13 minutes of SOT, I would say, I think. And if I go to the battery manager, you get the battery adapted battery saver. If I recall, we used to get this setting in both Pixel and the Duffest and any ROM, like in the Corvus also I did tested. We get the same setting here also. So yeah, everything remains same. And regarding the storage, these are our standard settings. If I go to a display, and here we can see some of the icon, like customization. You can turn on the VoLTE icon. You can also hide the apps from here as well. We get a display customization. You can turn on the network speed indicator or the battery icon, how you according to your needs. Let me just see. So we have only 3 battery style, and the battery percentage is also present, so no issues regarding that. And we also get this pulse. So what it does is, like, if you listen to music or watch any videos, and if it's in lock screen, there will be some random like pulsating visualizations in your lock screen. So yeah, this actually is a graphic equalizer, in I mean to say. Now if I go to the ambient display, yeah, the ambient display is also working fine, no issues regarding that. And yeah, you also get the theme icon pack. So these are our default icon pack. You can change these icons. And yes, talking about the wallpaper, I've already said before. Now if I go to the accessibility, so we also get the extra dim functionality, which is really good. And we also get the vibration and haptics tag. We get the system control, so yeah, you can take use of these settings. We also get the audio adjustment, and live caption is also supported. So yeah, these all are simple settings which are present in the accessibility. We do get the sound notification, like you can turn on this, and you can get notified about the important sound or whatever you get. And let me just go to the security. Here we have the app lock and also as well as face lock also, so both are working fine. No issues regarding that. And the privacy, so here you can customize the privacy according to your needs, whatever the function, like what are the permission you need to allow and all those things. And these all are standard safety and emergency, so these all are same, no changes. If I go to the system setting, here we have the gesture. Now this thing, like, sometime it works, sometime it doesn't. So yeah, what it does is, if you just quickly tap here, it will take screenshot and all those things. So you can make use of this function. And regarding other setting, you get the three navigation button navigations. I would like to give the gesture navigation because this one is really good. And we get the standard three finger screenshot also is supported. So yeah, these are standard settings which this ROM has to offer us. And regarding the bug, I would say I did notice one bug. So let me just show you. If I go to the setting and if I press on this profile icon, the setting just crash. And let me just quickly launch it again. So yeah, this is one bug. Now quickly talking about the Geekbench score and the CPU throttle, I did tested both of these. So here you can see the CPU throttling performance. It's just throttled up to 83%, which is not that bad. The graph is stable, I would say. It's not good, it's not bad, it's average. And here is the Geekbench score. I will provide both of the screenshot in the description box below, so you can check it out in detail. And regarding any other functionality, we get a music player supported by default. This is the black hole music player which this ROM has to offer us. So yeah, that is really cool. And we also get these fuse walls, like we get some cool wallpapers. Yeah, so regarding the banking and other apps, can we use it all? Yeah, the safety net by default is showing passed. Let me just show you. So as you can see here, it's passed, so no issues regarding that. And regarding the performance, I would say the performance is good, not that great. Yeah, we do notice some here and there lags. Let me just show you another setting, like functionality is the screen record. This is the screen record settings which you are getting the device audio and microphone. So yeah, so only these settings are also present. But regarding the screen record, the screen recording is like super smooth. I don't have any issue, and we don't get any stutters regarding the screen record. So yeah, that's really good. Regarding the installation, I will show you in the next step. So yeah, so to install this ROM, at first go to wipe, then advanced wipe, select Dalvik cache system vendor data, and just swipe. And go back and first install the firmware file. So I have to confirm flash, so it will take some time. So as you can see, the flashing is complete. Then locate the ROM file. In my case it's here, the Fusion ROM. Then just swipe to flash. So it will just take 1 to 2 minutes. So I'll be back after completing the process. So as you can see, we are done with the process. So for the encrypted users, go to wipe, format data, and just type here yes, and your phone will be rebooted. For the non-encrypted users, obviously you need to flash the DFE file also, and wait for some seconds. So yeah, we are done, and now just hit the reboot system. The phone will be rebooted, so it will take some time, like 2 to 3 minutes, so have some patience. The default boot animation is the Google Pixel boot ROM. You can see it right now, just wait. So as you can see, the animation is quite as same as the Google Pixel ROM. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Hope you like it, and do subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, comment down in the comment section below. I will surely help you. Thank you.